So, if you want to start using your GameStop gift cards here, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now, typically, in order for you to start using your gift card, you need to proceed with the checkout page, or you need to access the checkout page. So, first thing that you want to do here is you want to go and just start adding items to your cart. So, in this case, you want to go and select one of the items here, like a controller or anything that you want to buy in here. But once you've done that, you want to go and just click on cart at the top right of your screen. Now, in your cart, you want to go and just proceed with the checkout. So typically, you should see the checkout section. So once you've confirmed all the items and you've reached the shipping page here, you want to go and just fill out the details and just click on place order. Now, once you've entered all the necessary information here, you want to go and just choose the payment option that says gift card or trade-in number. So typically in the payment section here, usually after you've entered your address, well, you'll have the option to enter the gift card number. So usually it's going to be 19 uh code or 19 gift card code. So you want to go and enter that, and you want to go and just enter the PIN code that's usually at the back of your card. Now you want to go and click on apply. And once you apply that, you want to go and just click on place order at the right side here, and that should place your order using your gift card. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.